Imagine a world where robots and AI perform every job. What would such a world look like? Would it be a paradise where humans can relax, or a dystopia where unemployment, inequality, and unrest reign? Today on Sajib Global, we explore what could happen if robots and AI took over all jobs. Let's dive into a future that may be closer than you think. AI and robotics started small, automating specific tasks. However, in the last few decades, we've seen massive advancements in AI's capabilities. Today, robots are no longer confined to factory floors, but are now capable of replacing humans in a wide range of sectors. Just as the Industrial Revolution changed the world, we are now standing on the edge of a new revolution driven by AI and robotics. Most affected by AI and robots are taking over jobs in various industries. From manufacturing to food service, banking to healthcare, automation is changing the way work is done. In Japan, for instance, there are already AI-operated hotels where robots check in guests, and delivery robots are increasingly common in logistics. This trend is only accelerating. As robots and AI continue to replace human workers, millions of jobs are at risk. It's not just manual labor either. Even jobs that require critical thinking, such as legal work, journalism, and medical diagnostics, are being affected. The result could be widespread unemployment. Imagine a world where truck drivers, cooks, and even doctors are no longer needed. Studies suggest that by 2030, up to 800 million jobs could be lost worldwide due to automation. This massive displacement could create social unrest and a growing divide between the technologically savvy elite and those left behind by AI. On the other hand, some argue that if robots take over, humans could finally enjoy a life free of labor. Universal Basic Income, or UBI, could provide people with enough money to live without needing to work. Governments could distribute wealth generated by robots, ensuring no one is left without support. But what if robots didn't just take over jobs, but also took over power? In a future where corporations and governments rely heavily on AI, it's possible that our autonomy could be eroded. Imagine a world where AI makes all the decisions: where to work, what to buy, even how to live. Traditionally, creativity was seen as a uniquely human ability, but today, AI is already composing music, writing articles, and even creating artwork. Could AI take over even the most creative jobs? From musicians to writers to filmmakers, it's a possibility that can't be ignored. While the rise of AI and robotics brings significant challenges, it doesn't necessarily mean the end for humans. Instead, it opens up possibilities for collaboration. Humans can evolve, learn new skills, and use technology to their advantage. A future where AI does the heavy lifting could free humans to focus on creativity, empathy, and problem solving. Before robots and AI take over all jobs, we need to address one critical question: ethics. Should AI be allowed to replace humans entirely? What about AI rights? And how do we ensure that AI doesn't develop biases or make decisions that harm people? As AI continues to advance, we must prepare ourselves for this future. Lifelong learning will be critical. We will need to adapt by gaining new skills that complement AI rather than compete with it. This future isn't just about robots taking jobs, but about how we evolve alongside them. The future with AI and robots taking over jobs is not just science fiction anymore, it's becoming a reality. While there are real challenges, there are also endless possibilities for a future where humans and robots coexist, thrive, and innovate together. The key lies in how we choose to shape that future. Will we embrace technology and evolve with it, or will we allow it to replace us entirely? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more thought-provoking content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Sajib Global. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. How do you think AI will change our lives in the future?